We are looking at some fantastic weather. Even though we have a little bit of the low clouds and fog this morning, we're talking about dry conditions and more sunshine. Here's a look right now at LAX, looking really good at the upper level. You can see basically moving nicely. But if you are flying out of here, just double check with your airline. We don't have any delays, and if we do, it's less than 15 minutes. But so far, so good. All right, so here's a look at what it looks like elsewhere. Again, if you're flying out of here, you are dealing with some rain for the Pacific Northwest. Temperatures are going to be in the upper 40s for areas like Portland and Seattle. We're talking high 30s in Rapid City. We do have some rain in Omaha, and then Dallas looking at a high, lots of sunshine, 78, 88 for San Antonio, 80 for Miami, and then we do have some rain in the northeast in New England and Boston, about 57 degrees. As I mentioned, if you're staying here in Southern California, we are looking at just a few high clouds drifting up above. We're going to stay dry. So with our next weather forecast, today's the day where the warming trend kicks in. We're talking about Santa Ana winds returning, increasing as we head into tomorrow. So that means with the winds drying out the atmosphere, we do have red flag warnings in place starting early tomorrow morning until at least Wednesday evening into the new year. So parts of LA and Ventura County, but the winds are going to dry things out and just leave us with some really nice conditions on New Year's Day. We're talking sunny with temperatures in the 70s. Still no rain in the forecast, but we'll take it, especially as we are ringing in the new year. 41 degrees for Simi Valley, but again, we do need the rain. So we're hoping that things are going to slowly start to change once we head into the new year. 55 degrees for Fullerton. So if you plan on washing your car, I would say do it, because we're talking dry conditions for at least the next 7 days. So this is the perfect time to do it, to start off the new year nice and clean. Here's a look at our next weather future cast. So we do have a little bit of a ridging taking place. This is what's really going to help warm things up as we head into the start of 2025. And then by the end of the week, you'll notice a little bit more of the clouds drifting back in. Our temperatures slowly start to cool. We get down just a little bit closer to normal as we head toward this upcoming weekend, the first weekend of the new year. But for the Inland Empire, just know that you'll be in the 70s for the next few days. Thursday is going to be the day where temperatures are probably going to be the warmest. And then we start that cool down as we head toward this upcoming weekend. Valley, 72 today. We do have a wind advisory till 10 a.m. We stay in the low 70s, but New Year's Day we get closer to 80s, and then we hit the 80s as we head into Thursday. And then for LA and Orange County, we're looking at 66 today with mid 70s to kick off the new year, upper 70s by Thursday. Back to you.